Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. UML, Unified Modeling Language, diagrams are a standardized way to visualize the design of a system. In this tutorial, we'll focus on class diagrams, which are one of the most commonly used types of UML diagrams in object-oriented programming. We will also provide a Java code example to illustrate the concepts. Hashtag. What is a UML class diagram? A UML class diagram represents the classes in a system and their relationships. It typically includes classes, represented as rectangles divided into compartments. Attributes, the properties of each class. Methods, the functions or behaviors of each class. Relationships, lines connecting classes, indicating how they interact, example associations, inheritances. Hashtag. Components of a class diagram. 1. Class box, a rectangle that contains the class name, attributes, and methods. 2. Attributes, listed in the second compartment, prefixed with visibility indicators, +for public, for private, #for protected. 3. Methods, listed in the third compartment, also prefixed with visibility indicators. 4. Relationships. Association, a solid line connecting two classes. Inheritance, a solid line with a closed arrow pointing to the parent class. Aggregation, a line with a diamond at the parent end. Composition, a filled diamond at the parent end. Hashtag. Example scenario. Let's create a simple UML class diagram for a library system with the following classes: book, library, member. Hashtag. UML class diagram example. Here's a simple text representation of the UML class diagram. Hashtag. Java code example. Now, let's implement the classes in Java based on the above UML class diagram. Hashtag. Explanation of the code. 1. Book class, represents a book with attributes like title, author, and ISBN. It includes a method to get the details of the book. 2. Library class, manages a collection of books. It has methods to add and remove books and to get the list of books. 3. Member class, represents a library member who can borrow and return books. 4. Library system class, contains the main method to demonstrate the functionality of the library system. Hashtag. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we've covered the basics of UML class diagrams and provided a Java implementation based on a simple library system. UML diagrams are an essential part of software design, helping to visualize and plan the structure of a program before coding. By understanding and using UML, you can create more organized and maintainable code.